What if the worst thing that ever happened to you was actually the start of your purpose? Hi, I'm May Avengosa, a former nurse of 16 years, now full-time wellness coach, and also I'm a legit distributor of Amazing Pure Organic Barley from I Am Worldwide. Alam niyo guys, sa dami ng pinagdaanan ko, burnout sa work, identity crisis, health scare, heartbreaks, akala ko talaga sobrang wasak na ako. Pero na-realize ko, those painful moments weren't punishment. They were directions. It was like life is telling me, May, it's time to change. And one way or another, it led me to this path of healing, of purpose, of helping people live fully and freely. And here's what I learned. Bad things strip us of fake stuff. They help us to focus on what truly matters, our health, peace, and freedom. And they expose our hidden strength and mission. And that's what I want to do now. And hindi lang ako nagbebenta ng amazing barley. I help people prevent illness, reclaim their health, and live without limitations. So, it's like no more pabigat sa katawan, no more waiting for illness para magbago ka. Just freedom to move, work, love, and dream ng buong buo. So, if you're going through something painful right now, use it, transform it. Let's turn it into a purpose. Send me a DM with the word reset and let's start your healing journey. Hi, I'm May. I'm here to help you transform your health and your life so you can live fully without limitations.